Hello and welcome to the tutorial for the Carida PlayType Basic camera. After you have received your camera, inside the box you will find a small card which contains a QR code that will open our Quick Start Guide. This is the PlayType Basic camera. On the front of the camera you will find the camera sensor and two IR LED diodes. On the back side of the camera, you will find the serial number as well as all the connection possibilities for the camera. The camera can be powered either with power over internet or a 12-volt power supply. Additionally, you will find the digital inputs and outputs of the camera as well as the serial output of the camera on these loose wires. All the wires are labeled on this small label here, and you can also find the full documentation in our manual. You can find here some of the information about how to mount the camera and some parameters that you need to follow. And if you scroll down underneath, you can find the section about connecting the camera to your PC. Here you will find the download link for the Carida Discovery tool. Please download and install the tool. Afterwards, open it. After you open the tool, on the right side, you can find the scan button. After you press scan, all the Carida cameras in your local network will be listed here. Please find your camera on the list and you can easily double click on the serial number of the camera. This will open a new tab in your web browser which will load the web user interface for that camera. After you're logged in, the first thing you will see is the live view of the camera. Here on the image you can see the current view of the camera, and on the right side you can see any recent detections. It may be possible that you need to adjust some settings for the camera to be able to detect the license plates. To adjust the settings, please navigate to the settings page. You can find it on the left side of the screen, and the relevant settings can be found under the engine section. Here it is important to adjust two main settings. The first setting is called the region of interest, which is the yellow polygon you can find in the middle of the screen. This is the area where the camera is searching for license plates. Everything outside this area will be ignored. To adjust the region of interest, press and hold and drag any of the corners of the region. Please make sure that the region is sufficiently big enough so that all the plates that will be found in the image are within this region. The second parameter that we need to adjust is the minimum and maximum character size. On the bottom left of the screen, you can see an illustration of the current settings of the minimum and maximum character size. Only characters that are between these two in size will be detected. You can either use the sliders on the right-hand side to adjust the size of the characters, or you can also drag the characters themselves. After you have successfully adjusted the settings, the plates will be detected. A list of the detected plates can be found under the detection history page. Please note that the list length has a default value of 0 for privacy reasons. You need to increase the list length manually for new results to appear. Additionally, you need to refresh the page manually. Here you will find a list of the recent detections. You can press on any detection and the corresponding detection image will be opened. You can find the timestamp at the bottom of the image, and additionally any actions or events that have been executed for this detection will be also shown here. From this page, you can also filter all the detections for a specific date or if the plates are on a specific list. Additionally, you can download all the results either as a CSV file, Excel table, or you can export all the images. On the left side, you can find the access page. Under actions, you can define new actions that the camera is going to perform after, for instance, a detection has been made. To define a new action, please press the Define New Action button and choose the event type. For this demo, we're going to choose the read action. The read action means every time new detection has happened, this action will be performed. Under action settings, you can choose which type of action is then performed. Now we are going to choose digital output action. In the digital output action, the camera sends a signal to the digital output lines. Please make sure that you have connected the lines properly. To test if the digital output is working, you can press the test button. After the test has been successful, you can adjust some additional settings here, as you can choose the output line on which to send the signal. You can invert the signal and change the output signal duration. Additionally, you can choose if the action is applied to all regions of interest or if it's defined for a specific region of interest only. Press the Save button to save that action, and after the action has been saved, it will be performed every time the camera reads a license plate. For this demo, you can connect the camera to a ramp, and then every time a new plate is detected, the ramp will be opened automatically.